Mini rescue videos are still dominating TikTok, and the numbers are insane. Just look at this page with over 200,000 followers. It's consistently pulling in millions of views on nearly every upload, with top videos reaching 36 million, 8 million, and more. The best part? These videos are incredibly simple to make, and you don't need advanced editing skills. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create these viral AI mini rescue videos in under 3 minutes using AI. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your AI prompts. To make things easy, I've included a master prompt for this niche in the Google Doc linked in the video description below. Open it up and copy the entire prompt. Next, head over to your favorite AI chat tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT, but you can use any AI chat tool you prefer. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique mini rescue scenarios for you. Browse through the ideas and pick the one you like best. If you already have your own concept, you can simply type it in instead. After you've chosen your scenario, press enter again. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 2 powerful assets: a highly detailed AI image prompt to create your miniature rescue scene, and a cinematic AI video prompt that will use to turn that image into a realistic viral AI rescue video. Now it's time to generate and animate your image. For this tutorial, we'll be using Sorio AI. To get started, click the link in the description. Head over to Sorio AI, click Get Started, and create your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the Sorio dashboard, where you'll find a variety of trending AI video templates and powerful creation tools. Let's begin by generating our image. Click on Image, then select Generate Image to open the image generation interface. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt it generated, and paste it into the prompt box in Sorio AI. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll have a stunning, ultra-realistic image. Download the image to your device once it's ready. Now let's bring it to life. Click on Video, then choose Image to Video. Upload the image you just created, then select your preferred AI video model. Sorio AI offers some of the industry's most advanced models, including Veo 3 and Kling AI, all in one platform. After that, return to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into the prompt section in Sorio. Click Generate, and within a few moments, your video will be ready. Let's watch the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.